Tired of the complexity of traditional Android UI development? Discover the power and simplicity of Jetpack Compose, Google's revolutionary UI toolkit. Jetpack Compose is a declarative UI framework inspired by React and Flutter. Instead of manually manipulating views, you describe your UI with Kotlin functions. Jetpack Compose does the heavy lifting of updating the UI for you. Faster development. Compose's declarative nature means faster UI creation and iteration, code readability, easy to read Kotlin. Code improves maintainability and team collaboration. Powerful preview. Live previews in Android Studio streamline the design process. Modern UI. Easily create beautiful UIs that align with material design principles. New projects. Starting fresh. Jetpack Compose is the future-proof choice. Complex UI. If you're struggling with view hierarchies, Compose simplifies it. Rapid prototyping. Compose makes testing UI ideas faster than ever. Getting started with Jetpack Compose is easy. Visit the official Android developers website for documentation and tutorials. You can find the link in the description, or just as in comment, I'll create video for the same. Ready to transform your Android development experience? Embrace the future with Jetpack Compose. Like and subscribe for more Jetpack Compose content. Let us know what you want to build in the comments.